Picture this for a second. It's the end of the month, right? The bills are piling up on the kitchen counter, and you're feeling that familiar, heavy stress starting to creep in. Look, it's a harsh reality for millions of people right across the USA today. But parallel to all that stress, there's a completely different reality unfolding right now in the digital shadows, a quiet revolution. This is where the smart money is actually leveraging artificial intelligence tools to build wealth faster and honestly, way more efficiently than ever before. In this explainer, we're going to break down a precise, totally under-the-radar wealth blueprint we got from InvestorCo. We're going to see exactly how these tools are fundamentally rewiring the entire financial landscape.
So, I want you to ask yourself a seriously tough question. Are you using the internet for entertainment, or are you using it for income? Really let that sink in and agitate that problem in your own mind. When you open up your laptop or you unlock your phone, are you just a consumer, or are you a generator? The source material we're diving into today highlights this massive, growing divide. On one side, we have endless, mindless consumption. On the other, strategic, highly calculated wealth generation. Because here's the ultimate trap, right? Endlessly scrolling social media. You know the drill. The quick dopamine hits, the constant distractions, the pure, unfiltered entertainment. But there is a massive shift happening right under our noses. People are using AI tools to actually drive a rising wealth graph. And it brings us to the core transformation concept of this entire blueprint. Same internet, completely different results. The underlying infrastructure is exactly identical for both types of people. You both have the same connection, but the outcome? It couldn't be more different, based purely on how they apply these digital levers.
All right, let's get right into the blueprint breakdown, starting with generating ideas using ChatGPT.
Look, every towering skyscraper needs a rock-solid bedrock foundation, right? Well, ChatGPT acts as the brain of this entire operation. Just look at how rapidly it accelerates your income potential. First off, learning to invest. Instead of wading through incredibly dense, boring financial jargon, the smart money uses AI to distill those complex market concepts into understandable, totally actionable strategies, like instantly. Next, creating online businesses and discovering side hustles. You can literally just type a prompt asking for business ideas, and the AI generates complete step-by-step frameworks for you. It even helps you write the content to fuel those businesses. The barrier to entry for generating viable, profitable ideas has effectively dropped to zero. It's like having a supercomputer acting as your own personal board of directors. Moving on to professional execution with Canva AI and CapCut AI. Now, this right here is where the smart money absolutely separates itself from the amateurs. On one hand, you have Canva AI, its core wealth function, producing absolutely professional designs without needing expensive, clunky software. I mean, think about it. In the past, you needed a graphic design degree, or you had to hire some costly agency to create the kind of branding and thumbnails that actually demand clicks. Now, a total beginner does it in seconds. Boom, done. Then you've got CapCut AI. Its function is viral video editing, utilizing automatic captions and insane effects. CapCut AI takes your raw ideas and basically packages them for maximum audience retention. It allows absolute beginners to edit videos so much faster. We're talking about saving countless hours and helping digital channels grow significantly quicker. It's a literal game changer. Next phase is automated scaling with ElevenLabs. Okay, so once you have the visual execution locked down, how do you actually scale it without burning out? Well, you automate the voice. This is the exact workflow for building a highly profitable automated faceless channel. Step 1, you edit a potentially viral video with CapCut AI, utilizing all those automatic cuts we just talked about. Step 2, you add a realistic AI voice using ElevenLabs. And the source emphasizes something really important here. These are not the clunky, robotic voices of the past. No way. These are hyper-realistic voices that carry cadence, real emotion, and cinematic weight. Voices that actually command attention. Finally, step 3, rapidly grow a faceless YouTube channel. By combining the visual hook of CapCut with the insane audio retention of ElevenLabs, you've basically constructed an automated content machine.
Now, let's shift gears and talk about the ultimate AI mindset. So we've covered the software stack, but listen to me, the real advantage is built in the mind. Just look at the stark divergence in wealth advantage over time. On the lower path, we have the average consumer, just staying stuck, endlessly scrolling their life away. Then we have the rising path, the individual adopting AI early. Now the source makes a very grounded, super realistic point right here. AI is not going to magically make you rich overnight, okay? It is not a winning lottery ticket. But look at that upward trajectory. Those who learn it early, the people who actually apply this blueprint, they build a massive compounding advantage over the average consumer. While the scroller remains completely financially stagnant, the AI adopter's digital output and overall efficiency, it multiplies exponentially. And to maintain this kind of upward trajectory, you really need to put yourself in the right environment. Following sources like InvestorCo for more AI tools, investing strategies, and smart money content, it isn't just a friendly suggestion. It's an absolutely vital part of that mindset shift. You literally have to continuously feed your brain with these exact strategies if you want to make sure you stay on the correct side of that wealth chart. It all comes down to this. AI is a tool. Use it wisely. Think about it. A hammer can build a beautiful mansion, or it can just sit completely uselessly in a toolbox gathering dust. The entire blueprint has been laid out right in front of you today. So my final question to you is this. The very next time you open up your browser, are you going to surrender your time to entertainment, or will you command these tools to build your financial freedom?
Hey everyone, how are you? I'm fine. I am new on YouTube. Please support me on YouTube. Subscribe my YouTube channel. I need your support. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel.